Welcome to a new episode of our channel. Today, we will take you on a magical sea journey in the Spanish city of Barcelona, where we will enjoy the wonderful atmosphere and explore the famous landmarks near the city's port and the statue of Christopher Columbus. Let's start this adventure. First, let's start from the starting point, the port of Barcelona and the famous statue of Christopher Columbus. This place is one of the most prominent tourist attractions in the city, attracting many local and foreign visitors alike. You can also see the magnificent statues and historic buildings surrounding the port. Now, let's begin our sea journey. As we move away from the shore, you'll be able to see the beautiful view of the city from the sea. The atmosphere here is amazing, and the fresh air gives us a wonderful feeling of freedom and relaxation. You will notice that there are a large number of tourists enjoying their trip here. Some are taking photos, while others relax on the deck, enjoying the sunshine and the breathtaking views. There's nothing better than the variety of tourist activities available here. You can take a tour on the large cruise ships that offer all the essentials for luxurious sea trips, from fine dining to entertainment activities for both children and adults. And if you want to see the city from a different angle, you can book a helicopter tour. It's an unforgettable experience, allowing you to see Barcelona in all its details from the sky. After returning to the port, you can enjoy visiting the nearby shops and cafes. There are many stores selling souvenirs and local products, and you can taste delicious Spanish food in the nearby restaurants. And don't forget to visit the historical landmarks near the port. There are many places worth visiting, such as old churches and archaeological buildings that tell the ancient history of the city. We cannot forget the diligent work that takes place inside the port. You'll see the massive cranes and large ships that transport goods and passengers. Seeing these activities adds another dimension to your experience, allowing you to appreciate the hard work of the port workers. General atmosphere and enjoyment in the city. Barcelona is a vibrant and energetic city where tourists can enjoy a rich cultural and artistic experience, along with a lively nightlife. The city is known for its various festivals throughout the year, such as the La Merce Festival, one of the biggest cultural events. Activities for tourists. Beach enjoyment. Barcelona boasts beautiful beaches on the Mediterranean, such as Barceloneta Beach. Shopping. Streets like Passeig de Gràcia are lined with luxury shops. Food tasting. Barcelona is famous for its seafood and tapas. Sports and adventures. Tourists can enjoy water sports and mountain biking in the nearby hills. Resources benefited from foreigners. Economy. Tourism is a major contributor to Barcelona's economy, providing substantial revenue from tourist spending on hotels, restaurants, and attractions. Culture and diversity. Tourism enhances cultural exchange and brings diversity to the city, enriching its cultural landscape. Employment opportunities. Tourism creates many job opportunities in hospitality, transportation, and retail. Foreign investment. Barcelona attracts foreign investments in various sectors due to its tourism popularity. Here you can book tickets for 2 very nice tours offered by the Golondrinas. With the Port and Coast 60-foot Grand Cruise, you'll cruise into the cruise port and then head out to sea. The Barcelona Port 40-foot takes you into the cruise port all the way to the cargo port, and on the way back you see the superyachts in Port Vell. The Grand Port and Coast 60 cruise takes about an hour. First, large ships of the Golondrinas pass under the Pont Porta d'Europa into the cruise port. Immediately afterwards, the ship leaves the port to sail along the coast of Barceloneta to the Olympic port. Then it goes back and you make a detour to the Port Vell, where the superyachts present in Barcelona are moored. Here you can get some fresh air and see the city and its outstanding sights in the truest sense of the word, such as Hotel W Barcelona, Torre Glorias, Montjuic and the Sagrada Familia. The smaller ship tour, Barcelona Port 40, takes you with the classic wooden ships under the Porta d'Europa bridge past the cruise ships to the industrial and freight port. On the way back there is also a detour to see the superyachts in Port Vell. Here you can see the harbors from a perspective not normally seen, namely from the water. The company Las Golondrinas, which translates to the Swallows, started operations on the occasion of the World Exhibition in 1888 and showed visitors the port from the sea for the first time. Today, Las Golondrinas is the only company that operates harbor tours. Barcelona is one of the largest freight ports in the Mediterranean, whereas the fishing port has lost its importance almost completely. Barcelona is an important ferry port as well. From here, ships embark to destinations in the Mediterranean, and has jetties for cruise ships. See chapter How to get to the ferry port for a description how to get there. Book a trip on a ferry on our website, Book a Ferry. Facts about the Port of Barcelona. Handled freight, 2007 over 51 million tons, thereof 1.3 million tons of feeding stuff and groceries and 3,000 tons of fish. Share of containers of the freight, around 72%. Cars, around 801,000 cars have been transshipped here. Passengers, around 2.8 millions. Oil and gas, 6.3 million tons. Average tidal range of the Mediterranean Sea in the port, 1.25 m. Length of the jetties, 20.3 kilometers. RoRo, roll-on roll-off, ramps, 32. Largest dry dock, length, 215 m, width, 35 m, tonnage up to 50,000 tons. In summary, Barcelona is a city that blends history, culture, art, and sports, offering a rich experience for tourists from around the world, positively impacting the city's economy and resources. We've reached the end of our journey today. We hope you enjoyed this enchanting tour of the Barcelona Sea. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more future adventures. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new episode. Follow us on social media, and don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions for upcoming videos. Goodbye.